Hey, thanks for joining me. On March 1, we officially kicked off a new commitment to improve the patient experience all across Lakeland. We intend to rank at the 90th percentile for patient satisfaction scores in 90 days, or by May 31. To do that, I ask you to bring your heart to work, to share a who, a what, and a heartfelt why to every patient you encounter. So how are we doing? I'll report on our progress, but first, I'll bet you've heard the great news. Lakeland Regional Medical Center St. Joseph and Lakeland Community Hospital Niles have been named in the top 100 hospitals in the nation. It's a remarkable achievement and another example of your commitment to medical excellence. But what about compassionate care? That's why we want you to bring your heart to work, and the results are encouraging thus far. Here's how we're doing. Our Waterville Elite Hospital currently ranked in the 80th percentile, the St. Joseph facility in the 75th percentile, and Niles is leading the way at the 95th percentile. We're very pleased with our early progress. You're bringing your heart to work, and it shows. So I've committed to round 90 times in 90 days. I've already visited some of you, including one of our best performing units, Ortho-Neuro in St. Joseph. Andrea Baumann is the manager, and she's joining me to talk about her team's success.
Thank you so much, Dr. Hamel. Our associates are doing a great job of sharing the who and the what during every encounter with patients every day. We have to be a little bit more intentional about finding that heartfelt why, though. One of the tools we've found to be particularly useful is to use the phrase, because I. Here's a great example from my unit today. Hi there, I'm Susie. I'm going to be your nurse today, and I'm doing this assessment this morning because I want to make sure you are healing well after surgery and not having any complications.
So thank you so much, Andrea. That's exactly what we're looking for, something that touches the heart. I know many of you are still having trouble finding your why. Get some advice and feedback from your manager and coworkers, and there are great resources available at the Bring Your Heart page on My Lakeland. Before I sign out, don't forget to share your best why with us. It can even be something you heard a coworker say to a patient. Just go to the Bring Your Heart page at My Lakeland. You could win a t-shirt. I'm Lauren Hamel. I'm delighted to have had this opportunity to chat with you. We're going to meet again in 2 weeks because I want to continue to explore with you how we can take better care of each other and better care of our patients. Until then, don't forget everybody with every patient, a who, what, and a heartfelt why.